Hi, let us look at our new topic on state space analysis. So this is easy topic and scoring topic this is. So from this topic we are going to enter into the fifth unit. So let us see why we are moving to the state space analysis. So still now we are at transfer functions, right? So what is the advantage of moving state space analysis? So here let us see the difference between the transfer function and state space analysis. Like transfer function is we will calculate in the frequency domain, right? So frequency domain means here transfer function means output by input. So here T of S transfer function, if you want, we will write C of S by R of S, output signal by input signal. So this is in the frequency domain only, right? In Laplace transform we are writing, so it is in frequency domain. State space analysis will calculate in the time domain approach. Okay, it is in frequency domain approach, it is a time domain approach. And transfer function is limited to the linear time invariant system, LTI systems. Okay, so that's why if a LTI system, then only you can apply convolution, right? Yes or no? So in time domain it is convolution, in frequency domain it is multiplication. That's what you got transfer function here in frequency domain. But in practically some system can be non-linear also, right? So at that time you cannot apply this transfer function. You need to go with state space analysis. Okay, so state space analysis can be used for the non-linear or time variant systems also we can use. So that is the one advantage of this state space analysis. So still now transfer function you gave only one input, right? So and so block you gave input and output. So suppose there are some systems we need to give multiple inputs and we may get multiple outputs. So on so system we may have like input 1, input 2, input 3, and we may have output 1, output 2, output 3. In transfer function also you can deal with MIMO, but very complicated to get answers. Okay, but if you go with state space analysis you can deal easily for MIMO systems. And transfer function is memoryless systems. We will use only for memoryless system. And we state space analysis we can go with memory system. So what does it mean is, if you go our electrical circuits, inductors and capacitors, it will store some initial amount of energy, right? So if you go with transfer function you will not consider any initial amount of energy. But if you go with state space system you will consider all initial conditions of the inductor or capacitor. Here internal behavior of the system is not known. What does it mean is, here we will give input and we will calculate output. We know the relation between the output by input, that is transfer function, right? Transfer function is output by input. So what is there in this box, and we don't have any aware of this one, right? So internal behavior of the system we don't know. But if you go with state space analysis we know the states of the system, like inside what is the circuit is there, what is the condition of that circuit, how this circuit is affecting to the result. Each component state we can understand by using state space system. So that is the advantage of state space system. Thank you.